After that, now we need to know how we shall write our codes and how are we going to learn them. To write and learn our codes, we need to understand this. We shall write our codes using a text editor, any text editor like Notepad++. It is a text editor. Then to compile and learn, we shall use GDK, Java Development Kit, through command prompt. So here, as we are going there, we need to understand this. We have imported our Java .input_output.all. We have imported our package here in java.net.all, as we have said, which provides the correction of classes and interfaces to be used when creating sockets or when creating applications to learn on internet. Then we have now written our class name. The class name is my client. We have written our program, our main method. Each program in Java should have at least one class, one method, that is public static void main. Now here, our codes, we have put them in try and catch, to catch exceptions. Then we have created a socket at client side. It is socket S equal to new socket, where the machine name is localhost, the port number is 666. We need the client to only send information to the server. That's why we have created a socket object called data output stream, new data output stream, S, which is the socket name at client side dot get output stream. Then dout was initialized that we need to write in the format of UTF the word hello server. It means this statement, we need to send it directly when we run this program. We need to send it to the server side. We have closed the data output stream. We have closed the socket. Now, this program will run at client side. We need to know how to write again at server side. Now, at server side here, we have created a socket called, we have used sockets, server socket SS equal to new server socket, where the port is 666. Remember, we said at server side we only specify the port number, whereas at client side we specify both the machine name and the server port number. Now here we need to accept, to send the accept method to the client, establishing the connection. That's why we said socket S equal to SS, which is the socket server socket name, dot accept. Now we need the server to only accept. That's where we said data input stream. It will accept, but it will read in UTF format. The message, it is the message provided by the client. That's why we are saying system.out.println. The message is S string, the variable we have declared here. Now, to learn this, as we said, we need to learn them. Here, we said to save our program here. We need to save our program here. Remember, the class name will be the program name .java here. It is in a, let me specify saying maybe I'm saving my codes on desktop. For the server, we need also to write the codes for the server. Remember, the program name is server name. Equal to, the extension is .java. We are saving them on desktop. We need to learn them using command prompt. We enter. We need to open two. If you have two machines, you can learn one program in another one in another machine. If I'm saying this, if you have two machines connected on network. So here I'm using two command prompts. One will stand for the server, another one will stand for the client. But it is a simulation. You can even use two different machines. Remember, we have saved our codes on desktop. That's why we are going to desktop. Here we write CD desktop as usual. Now this one, which stands for the client side, we need to write, to compile, it is my client .java. No error. My server here .java to run. Remember, we said once we run, this client will send the hello server message to the server. Now when we run, remember to run, let me run at server side. We write Java, we leave space, we write the program name. For us to get a response there, we need to run the client. I think automatically here, if I run at client side, we shall see the message here, hello server. Let's do it here. Let me run server. Then at client side, if I run, automatically I'm receiving the message here saying hello server. Now we shall see how we can implement these concepts, and we allow the client to send and receive message and the server to send and receive message, like chatting application where the server can send and receive a message. The client can send and receive the message. So here, to understand this, it is good you implement this, you write this program into different computers. But remember, the server name, the machine name will be the IP address of the machine.